documentation with me, and you have write few point under documentation, right? Documentation header is Zoho purchase order creation fix and downloads, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
So
so yeah, you can start go over here.
I'm sh I'm sharing my screen right now. Let me know if you guys can see it.
Yeah, now I can see you.
Okay, so just to get a quick overview of what you have right now and get some doubts. So we have two this will be two like two databases with information regarding the vendors and the products, right? And this product list, currently, if I'm wrong, Alok, is composed from both the items on the quote, the Soho quote tool, and the other items that are not necessarily there, but we need to order usually. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, okay, and right now, I don't know if it's okay. And as far as I know, the amount you have here is the pricing that we charge the client. And the actual amount that in this case, if you say it shouldn't, is the pricing that we are going to pay the vendor. One of the things I asked is if it is set up the actual amount, it will be like vendor amount, and this one client amount or client pricing to avoid confusion. Uh, this four or well, I have vendor here as well. You can remove this one. You can actually remove like these four uh, categories because we use them in the spreadsheet for internal use for calculations, but they won't be like necessary here.
Mm-hmm.
So that they just you can remove these categories if you want.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Regarding, so I was playing a bit with this and I put some question on the file that I shared with you. But for example, I was testing this project, this Willy residence,
Mm-hmm.
and so I watched for it and I pushed the button, the procurement breakdown button. One of the things I put also there is that you have all the stages here in
Yeah.
the rooms. I only need to see the sold ones
Mm-hmm.
because the lost ones, the submitted, they will be just a noise.
Mm-hmm.
Only for us, it's the sold ones that are important because are the ones that are actually approved and the ones we will actually order stuff. So the rest of them, the rest of the stages are not important for us.
Okay.
Also, I asked for the you have the installation there here. Perfect. That I need also
Mm-hmm.
because if this one can be a bit, if the column, I don't know if I can move it myself. No, I can. If this column can be closer to the left, it will be good because that way we can easily, because we will probably be filtering or organizing this list, sorting it by installation dates.
Mm-hmm.
And also, okay, so I understand because I did, I see some of these I cannot do the procurement breakdown, but on the one that I showed you before, the wheelie, I had, I already did the the breakdown and still have the option well, hold on, let me, we without, so let me, I still have the option of doing the breakdown. It should be a way to for me to know
Mm-hmm.
when a project was already broke down
Mm-hmm.
in order to know. See, I can still see this button, or there should be a way
Mm-hmm.
or some indication here for me to know. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this was already broke down. I don't have to do that again because this is okay.
Yeah.
Uh, So after I do that, so I see here the items for that project that were on the quotes and other projects as you were testing before. And so after this step, in this step, I was a bit lost because okay, I write here, I can see the items, I can do view item,
Mhm.
which is not. Hold on, I have mm,
You need
oh,
to
sorry.
share your
So
whole.
if I put view items, I see a pop up. I don't know if you can see it. I think you cannot.
Yeah, so
I
share
see
your
this
whole.
pop up instead. So I see this. That's loading. Hold
Mhm.
on. Okay, and I see the item.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, so I should I have to do this manually each item like to mark them like this to go ahead, or is there a way if I do this like
Mhm, mhm.
all of this at the same
Yeah.
time,
Mhm.
what should I do now? Click any of them, any view item
Yeah,
to
I
do them
noted this
like
point, Daniel.
massively,
So,
like.
yeah, I noted this point. So what I'm gonna do is I gonna create a separate button, just like on the top corner you can see delete, duplicate, delete, print, out, export. There will be another button if you gonna like if you want to go one by one, okay, just like you're doing now, then you can go any one of them. But if you want to create a purchase order for every different item, then you can just choose the multi select and click, and in the visit it will be shown the option. So this is something I can implement it for you, no worries.
Okay, okay, got it. Also, so this is an intermediate step that we didn't have before because before we just added them to the tracker.
Mm-hmm.
I will assume this view is will be like kind of of like our tracker.
Mm-hmm.
So here is where I need a couple of things. First, so we already know the installation date of items of each project. And we know for each of these, we have a type of item associated, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Hardware, mirror, thermofoil door, etc. And each of these has a lead time. We have a table here in actually in the file that we shared with you before. Let me hold on. We have a table with the lead times for each type of item, and we use that. I'm showing you right now the tracker as we use it right now.
Mm-hmm.
So for each, let's see this will be like similar views from what we were seeing recently. And I have obviously the projects, I have the sales order for the project, I have the vendor for which this item is gotten from.
Mm-hmm.
I have the type of item that's associated to the item, well, or the quantity, code, other information, and I have here the installation date for the projects. I have, yeah, and these two dates, these two columns, this is the latest date to order the item. This is the most important one because with this one,
Mm-hmm.
we know when we have to order stuff or if we are behind schedule ordering stuff. In this case, we are behind schedule with these items and we have to order them as soon as possible.
Mm-hmm.
And these are calculated using these sheets that's lead. Hold on, someone added a lot of stuff here. Lead times, items lead times. Here we go. We have this one that you can ignore this comment here.
Mm-hmm.
You have each type of item, and we have lead time. This is from the vendor. Days of work is if the days we probably have to process something in shop. Quality control. Some days that we use to make sure that everything is in order. And the most important one, this is the sum of all the columns, is the total.
Mm-hmm.
And in here, so we obviously totalize the actual number of days we have to order stuff beforehand before the installation date. So if the installation date is a month and a half from now, I have
Mm-hmm.
to order the thermal foils, in this case the mullions, today or tomorrow. And so this is important, and this should be, if possible, reflected in some way here, or either I don't know if which step, because if I go to purchase order, it's already the purchase order, it's already the order itself. So I'm assuming this procurement breakdown is like the intermediate step, as we are seeing on the tracker. So in here I should have some way of easily, if with color better, but to easily know, okay, I have all these items, I already broke them down from the rooms.
Mm-hmm.
Now when I have to order stuff,
Mm-hmm.
regarding according to their item type and the lead time, and the installation date for each. So that's the first one. I should be able to easily know, from the items I have here, which ones have to be ordered
Mm-hmm.
soon,
Okay.
or we are really late. Also, I have a question, because, for example, regarding the items with sub items, or with selections.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, I'm not seeing right now the other item here. If I let me tell you, if I click view item,
Mm-hmm.
uh, so where was the place where I specified, or I approves the division of it? Because I have the cups. So if I put the cup, but I go, okay. I go to the create purchase order directly. Mhm. Because is there a way? Let me. I'm just brainstorming here, John. If it's too hard, don't mind me. But
Mm-hmm.
like to have, in this case, for example, the classic rock, the one that has sub products,
Mm-hmm.
for these subproducts to be seen as a separate row in this same site, instead of like automatically splitting. Do you think that's possible, or do you think it's harder to do, like
So,
to not seeing like this, but to automatically seeing that, like two rows, and that's it.
so you are saying, Daniel, we need to create the two different section. One section is without subproduct, and the second section with subproduct, right? This is what you want to say?
I mean, because we already know from the database here which items have subproducts.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't. It will be, I believe, easier for us, for it to already be another row, automatically, like doing the split on the same movement. That's it's broken down here, it
Mm-hmm.
already splits the ones with subproducts. And in the cases where I have to pick one item, well, I have the option here in the code that I'm seeing here, but in the code, to select the one that we need. But in the case we have multiple items,
Mm-hmm.
that they are like already split down in here, and we're done. Also, for some reason, the uh, amount of items is not being brought. It is not bringing the quantity of items automatically as well. I don't know if it's hidden, because I don't know how many mirrors I have to, or so many how many hamsters I have to order here.
Mm-hmm.
There should be. I assuming the amount from the quote itself. I have to be able to see it somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, well, all right. Hold on. Let me. Okay, this is what I shared with you before. So, okay, indicating that a project has been broken down.
Mm-hmm.
Only all projects should be seen.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay, the step, this one is where we talk about this.
Mm-hmm.
You will make a button for this. Uh, yeah, if items, if possible, I need to have an order by date, and from there, I could sort them by dates.
Mm-hmm.
I need to also see the item type for each of them. Uh, Okay, this is an extra, if possible. Like it would be nice to have some sort of dashboard somewhere with information of items that has already been ordered, items that we are waiting for them to arrive, and the stuff like to easily seeing, probably by vendor if possible, to visually
Mm-hmm.
see which state we are right now in the tracker, how many projects are yet to be broken down, that are, let's say, less than 2 months from now. And also, yeah, so and as I told you, I showed you, we will need a small database for the lead time of the items, the one I showed you before in the tracker,
Mm-hmm.
that we will use to calculate the order by dates here in the breakdown.
So for the breakdown one, okay. So basically, Daniel, uh, whole purpose is to build a small widget if there is a sub product, okay. Then once you click on the view items, then it will show you the different sub products, okay, which is why I have created a widget so that you can choose which one of you want to order. Say for example, can you click where is the sub product? Yeah, click the third one. You click on the view item.
Okay, hold
Yeah,
on.
so the basically view item is specially designed if there is a one or multiple sub product, then it will be open a window and you will be asked to choose like what you need to order, one of them or all of them, and what will be the quantity, something like this. And if you want to see the into the same color, it's so hard, but I can try since it's not designed in that way and it's not a perfect way to do it, since we at that time we don't know what you want to choose, okay. For choosing functionality we especially designed for this one, but I can try, okay. And for the sorting thing, okay, say for example the sub product come on one section and the second come on the second section, I can check, but it's also not possible since this is on the under the one report. But I can add a coloring system, okay. Maybe in color we can decide two different color in the starting, and we can sort by the color so that this will be this is in this record we will be having a sub product, and if there is another color then it is a single color, something like this one. I can try, okay.
Okay, another question, just to be sure. In this case, I'm selecting this item that has, I have to order the rods, that
Mhm.
is this item, and the cups, that is this item. With this view, I'm adding both of them to the purchase order, right? Because I don't see, because I'm seeing here as two products, just the cups,
Mhm.
but I'm not seeing the information for the rod itself. I don't know if it's added automatically to the PO, because I don't see quantity as well.
So under the
This guy,
quantity, yeah, under the quantity here, so basically, can you go on the projects?
hold on, let me go here again. Okay,
Yeah, go on the,
here where?
yeah, go on the rooms where we can have a projects for a while.
Okay, so I'm here. Do you want me to remove this?
Yeah, just open this project. Okay, click on the edit view. Try to find out the product what you are just open for the create purchase order.
Mm, this one.
This one, and this is the quantity 30. So we need to fetch the quantity as well. This is what you are asking, right?
Yes, but well, yes and no. First, yes, we need the quantities, but some items, in this, for example, this one,
Mm-hmm.
they're not much, but in this case, it would be this one. The quantity
Mm-hmm.
doesn't translate to what we have to actually order.
Mm-hmm.
So in this specific case, I mean, I don't need this quantity because I'll have to go to the drawings and calculate myself by hand how many actual tubes I will need because this is by feet. We charge them by feet, but I actually order them by piece of like 8 feet. So this number in this specific case
Mm-hmm.
doesn't matter to me. In most of the cases, in the puck lights, in the handles, I need this number. That's correct. Well, in the mirrors, I don't need them also because I will send the vendor the final measurements. But so in this case, I won't need the quantity, but I need to somewhere to ask me how many actual tubes I need because I need to calculate that myself outside of Soho because I need to check out the drawings
Mm-hmm.
and manually input how many according to how many rods actually the designer picks. But what I'm
Mm-hmm.
asking is, okay, I'm seeing this right now,
Mm-hmm.
and when I go into the breakdown and go to the view item,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm seeing this.
Mm-hmm.
And my question is, just to make sure, because I need to order two stuff for this item. This one, the rod,
Mm-hmm.
and this one, the cup. I'm seeing the cup right down here. I'm seeing, I see I can pick the quantity. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
But what I'm not seeing here is the rod itself. So I'm asking in this case if the rod is also automatically added to the PO or I should be able to see
Mm-hmm.
it
I got it.
here down
I
here.
got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah. So basically, I got it. Your question. So since this is the sub product, which is so you want to see the both here. Okay. Then you can choose the quantity. I got it. Yeah. I can try to. I
Okay,
will update.
okay, got it. All right, that's was okay. I think I'm for today. I'm think I'm good with questions. Do you have any other questions for me right now to you think you could use or that might be helpful for you?
Not Daniel. I will be first do the basic changes what you have suggest, and then I will be work on the more difficult changes. Say for example, how we can pass the two different list or something. Okay, then we can connect on our
Okay.
next schedule Tuesday. Okay, then if I have any question, I will ask you. Okay.
Okay, I'll share this with Luis as well. I think I already shared
Mm-hmm.
this other file with him as well. This is the one you made. Let me know either by text or asking questions through the file itself
Mm.
if you need more information or anything you think might be helpful for you.
Yeah, for sure. Why not?
I think let's check here. If this. All right. That's it. Bruno, Luis, do you have any other question for Alok or for me?
Nope, I think everything was pretty straightforward and clear from your part.
Okay. All right, Alok. So let me know if you have any question. Else, we'll talk again back on Tuesday. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you. Have
Thank
a
you,
good day.
guys. Bye
Talk to you
bye.
later. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.